Good morning, class. Here we are going to start with the topic nutrition in plants. This is part second. In part first, we already read the terms, mode of plants, autotrophic, heterotrophs, etc. But in this lecture, we are going to discuss the term photosynthesis, that is food making process in plants. So with this topic we move further and read this next term, that is photosynthesis. So let's start with this new term. Here photosynthesis is consist with two words, that is photo and synthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to combine. So leaves are the kitchen of plant. Leaves are the food factory of plant. They trap sunlight, prepare food for the plant using carbon dioxide and water. The chlorophyll traps sunlight and use it to make food. Carbon dioxide and water combine together to form food. Here the definition of photosynthesis: the process by which green plants make their own food using water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. फोटोसिंथेसिस के प्रोसेस में ग्रीन प्लांट्स जो हैं खुद का फूड बनाते हैं बाय यूजिंग वाटर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट की प्रेजेंस में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड वाटर का यूज़ करके प्लांट्स जो है अपना फूड बनाते हैं और इसी प्रोसेस को जो है हम क्या बोलते हैं, फोटोसिंथेसिस बोलते हैं. Here the term stomata are defined. The stomata are the tiny pores which are found the upper part of the leaf. So let's study about the stomata. Carbon dioxide from air is taken in through the tiny pores present on the surface of the leaves. These pores are called stomata. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फ्रॉम एयर इज़ टेकन इन थ्रू द टाइनी पोर्स, यानी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है एयर में जो होती है वो इन्हीं टाइनी पोर्स के द्वारा जो है लीव्स के अंदर जाती है और इसी इन्हीं पोर्स को जो है हम क्या बोलते हैं, स्टोमेटा बोलते हैं. द लीव्स हैव अ ग्रीन पिगमेंट कॉल्ड क्लोरोफिल. ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस, फोटोसिंथेसिस की प्रोसेस के टाइम क्या होता है, क्लोरोफिल कंटेनिंग सेल्स ऑफ लीव्स in the presence of sunlight use carbon dioxide and water to synthesize carbohydrate. This is a diagrammatically formed. This is showing photosynthesis process. Here the presence of sunlight, plant using carbon dioxide and water to synthesize a carbohydrate. This is the form of food which is made by plants. During the process, oxygen is released. In this whole process, oxygen is released. Okay, during the whole process or during the photosynthesis process, oxygen gas is released. The carbohydrate ultimately get converted into starch. Carbohydrate जो है वो starch में converted होता है. The presence of starch in leaves indicates the occurrence of photosynthesis. The starch is also a carbohydrate. Starch जो है वो ही carbohydrate होता है. This is the structure of cell and you have seen that buildings are made of bricks. आपने जैसे कि देखा होगा जो बिल्डिंग्स होती हैं वो किससे बनी होती हैं, स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट जो है वो ब्रिक से बनी हुई होती है. उसी तरह से क्या होता है हमारी बॉडी में जो है Similarly, the bodies of living beings in the sense plants or animals, are made of tiny units called cells. Cell is the smallest unit of life. Thank you, class. Have a nice day.